Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will be teaching you guys how to make battery charging circuit using solar panel. So let's start with the new project. Uh, we will make workspace, empty workspace. This is our workspace and as you know today we are making battery charging circuit using solar panel. Let's start taking components. First of all take solar panel as it will not be available in your library. You have to download. You can see any video from YouTube how to add this library of solar panel. So I will double click on this. Then take capacitor capacitor of 1 microfarad. It will be decided by you that which type of capacitor you will be using. Then take LM3317 for the operation. Then take potentiometer to adjust the voltages at terminals. Then take resistor you can take of 220 ohm or anyone, so you can change the values afterwards. So here I am taking any random resistors, so I will change the value of them afterwards. And then take the diode at the end. So now we are done with the components. Let's start placing them. First of all, place solar panel. As I've told you before that this library will not be available in your Proteus professional in default. You have to download it from internet. The link is given www.theengineeringproject.com. You can download this library from there. Let's start making the circuit. First of all, install diodes. Place two diodes. Then place LM317. This is voltage regulator. And let's place resistors. First of all, we are just placing our components in for circuit, and then we will start connecting. And at the end, place capacitor. Take ground as well, so because you will be needing a reference point. And take there is DC voltmeter. Take this DC voltmeter so you will able to find that how much voltage you are getting on the N terminal. So let's start connecting the components. Here I have just connected diode and capacitor of 1 microfarad. Now let's change the value of this resistor. We will make it 220 ohms because we will be requiring 220 ohms of resistance, and for the other one we will put it 660 ohms. It is, you all should be remember that one first resistor should be 220 ohm and the other one should be 660 ohm. So let's take them and rotate them. Do this for same for other one as well. Just connect both of them. and connect this end of resistor with the diodes and connect voltage regulator with diode as well, and the adjust leg of the voltage regulator should be placed in between these two resistors. Now we have taken potentiometer. With this potentiometer we will be changing the value of our resistor. Okay, let's start connecting this potentiometer with the circuit. We have connected all the our legs. Now just connect this voltmeter with the circuit, so this will provide us the voltages that we will be getting on the terminal. So our whole circuit is completed. Solar panel will provide us the voltages, and this voltage after getting regulated will be shown on this voltmeter, and this will prove that our battery is getting charged from the solar panel. Let's play. As you are seeing, we are getting 6 volt, which are not enough for a battery to get charged. So from here we will decrease the value of potentiometer. As we are decreasing the value of potentiometer, you will be noticing that the value on voltmeter is getting raised. So in this way the voltage terminal voltage on battery will get increased and it will get charged. So by reducing the value of this potentiometer, you will you are seeing that continuous increase in voltages are there. So as you will reduce it, it will as you will reduce this resistance, you will have more terminal voltages, and keep on reducing, you will get your desired voltages. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.